Occasionally, you're going to get a file from a client. That file is going to have missing spaces in it. In this case, we look at column K and column L. Column K has supposed to have percentages, but some people put zeros in. Sometimes they just skipped past it. Those should have zeros in them. So we're going to learn how to replace that. Really simple. We're simply going to take this, highlight the whole range. We'll hit F5. We'll go to Special, Blanks. Then we notice that everything's shaded except for the top one. The top one, we're simply going to put in what we want. Then we're going to hit Control Enter, not Enter, but Control Enter, and it's going to copy that down into every single open space. And there it goes. Now for the formulas, we do exactly the same thing, except now we're going to type in a formula. We hit that, we highlight it, we go to F5, we go to Special, we go to Blanks. Highlights everything. Now we're going to go to the top one. We're going to say equals, and it's going to be sales times 1 minus the discount rate, which is in column K, plus the sales tax. Hit Control Enter, and it will copy it into every one of those cells, and there it goes. Okay, good tool. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Real quick way to fill in blank spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.